Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. I'm Heryong. Today I'm excited to share my favorite kimchi recipe, celery kimchi. I understand that some of you may not be the biggest fan of celery, but I hope this recipe could change your perspective. The celery will take on the sweet and slightly spicy flavor, making it much more enjoyable. Let's dive in and get started. So these are the ingredients for today. The celery here today is about 300 grams, and the salt to salt the celery. This is about the 4% ratio based on the weight of the celery. And so it's about the 12 grams today because this one is about 300 grams. Then seasoning here. So let's get started from here. This one is a red chili pepper powder, white sugar, grated garlic, ginger juice. For ginger juice, you grate the ginger and then squeeze out the juice. Salted shrimp. I chop that salted shrimp. You see this quite often, right, in my recipes. So small shrimps that I chop them there. You can find this in Korean grocery stores, and you can keep this in your freezer. By the way, the red chili pepper powder is as usual. I'm using this. Yeah? Also, you can in Singapore you can find this in Korean grocery stores. If you already watched another kimchi recipes, cooking videos of mine, you probably know the steps. So today we have three main steps. The first, I'm going to prepare the celery, the vegetable, and second, salt the vegetable. Today is a celery, and then third, the final step, we marinate the vegetable to make kimchi. Simple, right? As usual. Okay, let's get started. Celery is high in fiber, as you know, which can sometimes make it a bit tough to eat. In this recipe, I'll peel the fibers from the celery to make it more tender. So peel the celery. So I peel the fibers today for this recipe. Or cut the celery diagonally. Put them in a bowl. So you prepare the bowl aside. You put in a bowl. Cut the celery diagonally. Step 2. Do you remember what step 2 is? Salt in the vegetable. Step 2. We are going to salt the celery. So here today, the salt, it's about 12 grams today. I mentioned earlier in the video, we use a 4% salt ratio based on the weight of the celery. So today, for 300 grams of celery, you will need around 12 grams of salt. If you find this too salty, too strong, feel free to adjust the amount to suit your taste. So sprinkle the salt, toss gently, and cover the celery. So we are going to leave the celery for about 15 minutes. So 15 minutes passed. I'm going to rinse the celery quickly. The excess water, so drain this one and just quickly. So we quickly rinse the celery. The next is I'm going to just remove the excess moisture from the celery. You can use a kitchen towel, just grab some amount. You don't need to squeeze. I removed my part of the extra moisture. Final step, step 3. We are going to marinate the celery. We make the celery to kimchi. So as usual, I'm going to use disposable bowl. So let's start. Ginger juice, salted shrimp, sugar, and then toss. I'm going to add red chili pepper powder. Gently toss. Here you go. We have flavorful celery kimchi. Let me try one. Delicious. 맛있어요. So today we made celery kimchi. If you have any questions about this recipe, please leave your comment. Hope you enjoy cooking the celery kimchi with me today. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe or like or leave your comment. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. See you next time. 사랑해요.